COVID-19 pandemic made people think about insurance and made them realize the importance of insurance. The issuance of new policies and rise in policy premiums made the prices of insurance stocks go up. The chemical sector stocks are witnessing an uptrend. The majority of stocks are outperforming the Nifty 50 index in the last 1 month. On a year-to-date basis, all top market cap stocks are showing significant growth and outperforming Nifty 50. In the month of May, the hotel stocks are witnessing a strong uptrend from last month. Nifty Information Technology Sectorial Index is composed of 10 popular IT stocks trading in the National Stock Exchange to represent the IT sector performance. On a year-to-date basis, Wipro was the top performer, up by 31.6%, followed by Mindtree, up by 26.3%. Crude oil and refinery stocks are witnessing a strong uptrend on a monthly and year-to-date basis. On a year-to-date basis, Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited was the top performer, up by about 46%, followed by Hindustan Oil Corporation, up by about 31%. On a monthly basis, Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited was the top performer, up by about 40%, followed by Chennai Petro Corporation Limited, up by about 34%, Jindal Drilling and Industries by approximately 24%. Nifty Energy Sectorial Index is composed of 10 popular stocks trading in petroleum, gas and power sectors which are listed in the National Stock Exchange to represent the energy sector performance. The Nifty Energy sector is witnessing an uptrend on a monthly and year-to-date basis. On a year-to-date basis, Tata Power Company Limited was the top performer, up by about 42%, followed by Indian Oil Corporation, up by about 34.8%, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, up by about 32%. On a monthly basis, Indian Oil Corporation was the top performer, up by 25.3%, followed by Adani Green Limited, up by 24.9%, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, up by 23.3%. Nifty Auto Sectorial Index is composed of 15 popular auto stocks trading in the National Stock Exchange to represent the auto sector performance. On a year-to-date basis, Tata Motors Limited was the top performer, up by 72%, followed by Motherson Sumi Systems Limited, up by 42%, followed by TVS Motors, up by 35%. On a monthly basis, Balakrishna Industries Limited was the top performer, up by 27%, followed by TVS Motors, up by 18%, Bharat Forge by 16%. Next, we cover the stocks in the plastic products industry. On a year-to-date basis, Prince Pipes and Fittings Limited was the top performer, up by 143%, followed by Time Technoplast Limited, up by 80%. Moltech Packing was up by 72%. On a monthly basis, Kingfisher Science and Technology Limited was the top performer, up by 55%, followed by Prince Pipes and Fittings, up by 48%, Jacob up by 34%.